Welcome to Ocean Breeze Condominiums, located on the 1400 block of Pacific Coast Highway between 14th and 15th Street in downtown Huntington Beach. My name is Zeb Plant. I'm a Huntington Beach realtor, and this is my Condo Series, where I take you to all the different condominium complexes and show you features and benefits. Built in 1989, Ocean Breeze has 42 condominiums. These two-bedroom units range in square footage from about 1,000 to 1,181 square feet. They're 1- and 2-story units. The building was designed so most units have an ocean view. It's a private, gated community with an elevator in the subterranean parking area that takes you up to the condo area. The HOA features a pool and a spa. The best features are the balconies with the private ocean views. If you're thinking of buying an Ocean Breeze condominium, or maybe you'd like to know what the current value is of your condo, reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you.